We have a motor mount conversion kit from Novak. This bolts the 5.3 liter onto the JK frame. What this is going to do is weld in right here and reach in and grab the motor mount. They've got right in the instructions exactly where to fit it. 1.5 inches from this top slot forward on this side, and 1.5 inches from that slot backward on the passenger side. Now the driver's side is just a little bit bigger than the passenger side. It's just a little bit longer. The reason for that is to compensate for how the motor sits in there so that everything's even in the end. So we're going to go ahead and tack these in place and then position our motor and see how it looks with the firewall. Motor mount's tacked in place. Hold it in. Got the motor sitting somewhat how we want it. Now we'll come back here and put a cross member in the frame right here. We'll bolt onto these transmission mounts here, and that'll support it. We won't put anything in there permanent just yet, but we're going to just put something in there to support it and hold it kind of where we want it to sit so that we can start building the center cross member. Once the center cross member is in place, then we can get the rear end where it's got to go, because we'll know the pinion angle. We got to set the rear end up because it's got to be pointed up at exactly the same angle. If the transfer case is pointed down, that'll compensate for any vibrations that might happen as the driveline spinning. Once we get that center cross member in, then we can also go ahead and start positioning the front axle. Kind of excited.